Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Dear viewers, one problem we computer users often face is that the computer gradually slows down. Today I have come up with a short video to solve this problem. In today's video, I am going to show you how to increase the speed of your PC or laptop. So watch the video to the end. Before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you to subscribe to this channel. If you are new visitor, let's get started. First of all, write in the search box run RUN and press enter key from the keyboard. Then you will see such a box, or from the keyboard press Windows key plus R. Then you will see such this box again. Dear viewers, in the writing box write temp TEMP and after writing click on OK. After that you will see such this page. Now from the keyboard press Ctrl plus A for selecting. Now see all of the files have been selected. Dear viewers, now click right button of the mouse. Then you will see such a box. From here click on delete option. Now see all of the files have been deleted from here. Now you can close the page. After deleting, again press Windows key plus R and write in the box %temp% and at last click on OK. After that press Ctrl plus A from the keyboard for selecting. After selecting, click right button of the mouse as before and click on delete option. In this situation, you can click on continue. Next, continue. And select the box and click on continue. In this way, you can delete all the files from the page. Now you can close the page. After deleting, press Windows plus R from the keyboard and write in the box preface. After writing, you will have to click on OK. Now again press Ctrl plus A from the keyboard for selecting the files from the page. Next, click on right button of the mouse and at last click on delete option. Now you can click on the white box and at last click on skip, and next you can cross the page. After deleting, press Windows key plus R again and write in the box recent, RECENT, and at last click on OK. Dear viewers, now select the files and delete the files as before. Look, all of the files from the page have been deleted. Now go to the search box again and write in the search box defragment, DEFRAGMENT, and press enter key from the keyboard. Now put the mouse pointer on the C drive. See, there is optimize option at the right side. Now click on it. Look, it has been working. Dear viewers, this drive takes a little longer to optimize. In this way, you can optimize all the drives, such as after optimizing, you can cross the box. Now click double on the shortcut option of the PC. Then click right button of the mouse on the C drive. Next click on properties from the box. After that you will see search this box. Now go to the right side and see there is a disk cleanup option. Now click on it. Next you will see search this box. From here select 3 boxes at the top and bottom of the box click on OK. Next click on delete files option. After deleting, next click on OK from the box. Dear viewers, in the same way you can disk clean up all the drives, such as next F drive, properties, disk cleanup, OK, OK. Next G drive, properties, disk cleanup, OK, OK. Next H drive, properties, disk cleanup, Okay. Okay. Now you can cross the page. Dear viewers, at the 11th hour you will have to restart the PC or laptop. After opening your PC or laptop, you will see your PC or laptop has been fast more than before. So my dear viewers, in this way you can increase the speed of your PC or laptop. So my dear viewers, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.